Welcome to my vlog! And for today's video, liniserye ulit tayo ngayon mga dang. Shoutout Jerome De Leon, the owner of Mesharap Gotohan near Dalisay Supermarket, San Vicente, Makamulos Drive, Tarlac City. Kung naghahanap kayo ng mura, mainit at masarap na goto, go to Mesharap. And kung bago ka dito sa FB page ko, please follow my FB page, Tita Dang Vlogs, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Chona MTS. Thanks for watching. See you until next vlog.